Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how you can play Garry's mod on your PS5 in 2025. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So let's get started. First, you'll need a PC with Garry's mod installed through Steam. Make sure your PC is connected to the same internet network as your PS5. Now, install the Steam Link app on your PC. This app lets you stream games from your PC to other devices. Then, open the web browser on your PS5. You can do this by using the game-based chat system to enter a URL and access websites. After that, go to the Steam Link website using your PS5 browser. Follow the instructions there to connect your PS5 to your PC. Once connected, you can start streaming Garry's mod from your PC to your PS5. Use a keyboard and mouse connected to your PS5 for the best experience. If streaming isn't an option, consider playing similar sandbox games available on PS5, like Minecraft, Dreams, or Fortnite Creative Mode. And that's it. That's how you can play Garry's mod on your PS5 in 2025.